I have pressed the button. And here we go. Okay, dokie, so we are going to Theta. Which way is that? Well, this way to the shuttle station. Well, that's a creepy hallway if I ever saw one. Oh, a thingy. Chris, I've stayed up all night. Seems like a waste to sleep. I got the TV on in the background. The newscaster are covering the incoming comet, like they were counting down for New Year's Eve. I know it's messed up. Wishing you were here with me. I suppose if anyone has a chance to survive this thing, it would be you guys below the waves. I hope you're able to go on. If it's a life worth living. Looks like the shit's about to hit the fan. I better hit send before the shockwave reaches us. I'm proud of you, boy. Dad. Aw. Drugs. Okay. Let's see what we can find behind door number 1. I feel like I went in a circle. Swipe it. So we are going outside again. Great. That's my favorite part. Well, it's not that bad, actually. Inside it's more claustrophobic, so... See, now is this the one we are going to play with? There we go.
What? What is this? Curie Emergency Vessel 4. Hey, Simon, can you hear me?
I hear you. Can you get this thing running?
Hang on, I'll give it a try.
I need to get out and push.
Sorry, it's dead.
God damn it.
Worth a shot?
The CV came from Curie. It was a ship that used to make runs between Lambda and Lisbon. Looks like their wreck is close. Maybe you can find a vessel like this one inside.
Sounds like a plan.
I'll just save the security information and update the Omni tool. There. Should help you get around.
Great.
Well, thank you. Oh, yes, we're leaving again. Is this the way, maybe? Well, this is the way we're going, so... There's a lot of lights. Well, that's something, I guess. Nope, 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 nope. Does that mean I'm not supposed to go that way, or is he just like Slenderman being annoying? Let's find out. Yo, Disco Brain, where you at? Well, this looks like a ship, doesn't it? Kinda. Let's find out. Close it. Just close it. Swear to God, if anything jumps out at me, I'm going to piss myself. Hello? Anybody home? Oh shit, this was exciting. Pipes. Oh. If there pops out a xenomorph now, I'm going to be so pissed. Wait, am I outside again? Okay, was it the wrong wreck? Or wrong part of it, maybe? Well, he didn't seem too excited to see me. They're living. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, you suck at jumping. So we're going to explore this wreck a little bit more before we leave. It kinda looks like I should be able to jump out, but hello? Disco guy, you in here? As if you are. Can you leave? I don't see any way else to go than towards the bad guy. Well, that sucks. Don't like going towards the bad guy. It's a bad idea. Okay, we are checking if he's still up there. No, he's not. Where did he go? Hello. Always going to be around this debris somewhere, I just feel it. Wait, is this the boat? What's up with the music? Don't do that. Is that a shark? Do I need to run away from sharks too now? That's an interesting way of planting a boat. There's nothing in that room. Let's see, why does this stair go like this if the ship is on its front? Can I open this door? Yeah, I can. Very slowly. Oh, we're not going that way. So many creepy sounds, Jesus. Hello?
Alright, we're in. Let's find a working escape vessel.
Emergency shuttle. I'm going that way. Oh no, no, go away. Whoa, no. Where did they go? Mamma mia, go. Wrong way. That way. This way. Hopefully. Whoa, nope. Emergency shuttle. Go. No. Hopefully I can't use ladders. No, how did you get over there? Go away. Screw you. I don't want to play.
Huh? What? Oh, you made it. This is much
Go.
better. Let's see if we can't get this thing moving. Wait, what? Safety locks are blocking the vessel's release. Are you kidding? How much more of an emergency could this ship be in? It's on the bottom of the sea. Take a look at the engine room and see if you can figure it out. Maybe there's an override or something.
I don't wanna.
There's monsters out there. Like the ones we saw at Lambda.
The more reason to get going.
What?
Come on, you know the drill. Don't look at them or get too close. It'll mess with your circuits.
Oh, shit.
We need to get out of here.
I know. I'm going.
Well, I don't freaking agree with
Something is
this.
stabilizing the ship. We need to let it know this is an emergency.